Only 100.
Okay, here we go, folks. It's on the
7.
opening bell right now. We haven't even been open but 2 minutes. And you can see the haircut that the Dow has taken on the opening bell. NASDAQ 100, what a haircut. Look at that S&P getting down right above that 12 handle. Look at that NASDAQ comp opening up 54 points down to shake them out. We got to shake down off of that CSCO news. And we're looking for, we get that left elbow. Here's the left elbow gap down, and we're looking when them buyers want to merge. Take out half of that action. Look at that. Pop me.
55,
Pop me. You're not talking
26,
about pop me.
33 on
oh,
Apple.
Look at that. 94. We're down 52 points. This is on
NASDAQ
the opening
27,
bell. Coming back. There's
24.
that Google chart on the opening bell. There's that left. We got to get a buy up above that bar, taking out half action bars. I've got senior traders whipping and whipping and whipping. I've got them whipping. I've got them whipping on that opening bell. There's that big left elbow gap down. It's in the first 3 minutes. I'll come back and update. And what we're looking for is on the left elbow gap
Apple's
down.
at 38.
You got to take out half of that price action bar. Over here, same way. Apple down here. Talk about my left elbow. Talk about my left elbow. And what we're going to see is that volatility come in off this opening bell. This is live right here. There's that left elbow. You got to take out half of that bar. You got to close above half of that left elbow. This is a 3-minute bar. That's the 6 coming up. You got to get above it, and you've got to ramp it, and you've got to take it. And you've got to do the same thing over here on Apple. You got to take out that bar and get that left elbow working on that entry, on that opening bell, on that left elbow. Gap down where the money is made. And it's producing peanut butter and honey. Left elbow, coming up off of that. Taking out that previous down bar. It hasn't done it here yet. It's trying, though, on that left elbow. So what we got to do is keep watching this left elbow. And I'm going to pull this out of the way. We're going to watch that left elbow. It's live on the opening bell at 5 minutes into it, MMT.
Apple's at 61.
You can see how big that haircut was. You're going to be looking at where that bull comes up off that bottom. What a bull horn. And there it goes off of that bottom. Let it trombone.
12, 13 by 90.
Right
Google
down
18,
here on this chart,
85.
There's that left elbow gap down. There's that 3-6 punch line. He took out half of that last bar. I'm going to update it right now. We're 7 pennies into the opening bell. MMTs. Now walk that dog. So far, we didn't get it on Google on a 369. Here's a 369. Left elbow gap down. Left elbow. Apple, Google. Let's get it. Let's rumble.
85, 87.
Here's that Apple on that elbow. It's trying to take out that high, which it just did. You got a 3. You got a 6. You got a 9. You got to get some follow through where Google's got a 369, 12. You got a 369 coming up off that bottom. Let's Rip Van Winkle if I don't keep it going. I got to take out that teeny high. I got to go above 95. Otherwise, I'm going to slide that bid on that. If he doesn't keep that price action bar going, I'm sliding the bid. I'm going to slide the bid with my profits. I'm going to go back in when I get confirmed. This is a 369 on the opening bell. Now I got to go over here and deal with Google. I will come back to the Stromboni Apple.
10%.
Let me Strombone.
Stromboning. Apple at 100. Apple at 100. 94.
Okay, Apple's at 100 and the other one is weak.
Google at 17.
There we go on that price action.
You hit a new high.
There it is, baby. You hit a new high. And we're down big time.
We're down on 23
right here,
points.
we got that Apple burning up off that bottom. It's almost hit. It's $2. I always tell my traders you're going to get $2 off the bottom. And there it comes on that left elbow. Here it is. Here it is. Left elbow. Left elbow down here, baby. That's called the knife hook. Look at that left. And look at that right side burn. It's coming hard up off that bottom on that left elbow. Basically, we don't have a lot of spread. It's a $600 call on Google. It's deep in the money. We got hit at 1990 on 5. We're looking at buying more as it goes up. And here's the chart right below it. It hasn't done nearly the elbow yet. It's consolidating that left elbow. Look at that big haircut. We're going to see when we start to get them buyers coming in off that left elbow. Here, this one is starting to give up a little bit of its juice, but the thing about it is, this one up here, this is the Google one, it's trying to consolidate that left elbow gap down where that apple just burned right off. Left elbow, first 3-minute buy action with a narrow 3, 6, 9, 12 off that hook to that buy side. We're going to see. I have my big guys, okay?
Nasdaq at 92.
Take me a stop at 315.99 on 5,000 shares. 5,000, give me 2,500 blocks. 2,500 blocks.
32.
I told Ken flag.
30 new high net at 89.
Yep. Flag. I told you, and I got it live on tape about how to burn that left elbow right here. That's that left elbow. Go to your pre-market update. Take a look at that left elbow. Now we got to get made on that Google trade. It's trying to hold in there.